halfway through with my second week with the Purium protocol that I am doing with the collagen pack, and I'm also doing the alkalizing pack. I have found out that my body is doing much better just doing the protocol and just doing fruit. I keep trying to add some vegetables, and every time that I do, my motility and my digestive tract just like freaks out. And so I was at my best last week when I had a day when I did grapes and honeydew. And yeah, I'm about to go to the grocery store and get me some more grapes. And then it was so funny, like after I sort of intuitively figured out that yeah, grapes are doing great for me. And then I was reading my little source book, Dr. Morse's stuff, and he was talking about like grapes being like the greatest fruit to eat, to reset, and for your if you were going to do a fast on fruit, that grapes were the best thing to do. So it was just like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. So I will be back in touch after I just need to be consistent. Like I'll do like a day or two of fruit, and then I'll think that I've got to go and add something else with it, or oh, I need a vegetable, or oh, I need this, or I need that. And I'm still trying to make it too difficult. And I see where my digestive system is now. I'm still on just the Aloe Digest and the ionic elements, and I'm taking still like a fourth of the capsule of the Biomedic, because I just don't even think that my gut can take that right now. It's still motility, constipation is still, and like last night my belly even hurt, and I steamed squash for some dinner before my power shake. So yeah, so I'm going to honeydew and grapes, and by the end of week 2, which will be 3 days from this video, yeah, we'll just see how it goes. But I'm fixing to do this. So I am completing my second full week of my Purium protocol. It has definitely changed from week 1. I was having some issues. I started to realize once I was adding even vegetables to the protocol. I decided like one day last week I was just gonna eat fruit, and then when I went back to the vegetables, and I did try some quinoa as well, and I did some avocado, and my gut was just going crazy, and I didn't sleep well, and so I was like, man, I'm going back to the fruit. And so I decided to put myself on a fruit diet, and that was Sunday, and I did a video about that. But it's Wednesday now, and so I've been eating grapes mainly, melons, well, honeydew, and some strawberries. And that's just been what I've been eating, along with doing the Purium shakes, and I can really tell that is giving my gut a break. It's very quiet, very peaceful, seems to be very happy. I am trying to work out some motility issue. I'm trying to work out the motility issues. I'm not going to own them, Michelle. They're part of the issue, not me. But my gut is awesome, and I know that you know, for the longest time I was afraid that, oh my gosh, I'm gonna just be like this forever, and my gut just didn't know what to do. But it does. It's just got to have what it needs. And I realize that I've just got to be patient, be consistent, be persistent, and just allow it to heal. Give it what it needs. And I do believe that just going with the fruits right now, with and grapes being a very big part of that, is just what I need to do. So yeah, I went to sleep around 10:30, I guess, last night. I slept till 7:30 this morning. It was like one of those sleeps like that's really quick, and you wake up and like, oh my gosh, it's already morning time. And I never do that. So I can hopefully, you know, I can see that my sleep is starting to sort of work itself out. You know, like the past couple of weeks, I was sleeping better, but I was still like waking up really early, and then like 5 or whatever, and then can't go back to sleep. So yeah, motility and sleep, well, and my energy too. Energy is pretty good. I think that I'm doing some detoxing too, and I'm having some symptoms, maybe just very slight, because my energy seems to be a little bit off. I'm feeling a little bit of that, but yeah, that's only natural, and especially when I'm doing this with my with the fruits and all. So it's a pretty big detoxing protocol. So I'm excited. I think I'm going to keep on with it next week and see what happens. See if some things will level out, and consistently I can get the sleep good, and I can get my gut and the motility on track for the first time in my life, basically. And I feel closer now than I ever have, and I'm very excited about that. So just we'll see what happens with week 3. And if you would like any more information, or if you need someone to help you with your healing journey, I am here for you, and I will do what I can to help you. You can find me on my website at www.healinghomehealthcoaching.com.